How to get first element in a list of tuples. I have a list like below where the first element is the ID and the other is a string. I want to create a list of IDs only from this list of tuples as below. I'll use this list in underscore underscore, and so it needs to be a list of integer values.
Do you mean something like this? What you actually have is a list of tuple objects, not a list of sets, as your original question implied. If it is actually a list of sets, then there is no first element because sets have no order. Here I've created a flat list because generally that seems more useful than creating a list of one-element tuples. However, you can easily create a list of one-element tuples by just replacing seq 0 with seq 0, comma.
Use the zip function to decouple elements. Edit, @Brad Solomon. The above works for Python 2.x, where zip returns a list. In Python 3.x, zip returns an iterator, and the following is equivalent to the above.
This is what operator.itemGetter is for. The itemGetter statement returns a function that returns the element at the index that you specify. It's exactly the same as writing. But I find that itemGetter is a clearer and more explicit. This is handy for making compact sort statements. For example,
if you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.